Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. So, today we will take an overview of the whole chapter, unit number 10, the solar system. Let's take a good start. Starting with the question number 1, what is the axis of the earth? And the answer is axis is an imaginary line passing through north and south poles. The earth is constantly spinning on its axis. I know you all have done these questions. I am just uploading it again so that you can complete your work if there is any question missing in your notebooks. Next is question number 2. How are the seasons caused? Explain with the diagram. As answer is, as the earth tilts on its axis, some parts of the earth are positioned closer to the sun at certain times of the year than other parts, and further away from the sun at other times of the year. This is how we get the seasons. And with this question you will draw this diagram, and I'm telling you again and again, this diagram is very important. So do practice this diagram in your notebooks or either in your rough notebooks. Moving next, we have question number 1 from page number 75. Write a short note on space, and the answer is, space is the area in which planets, stars, moons and other bodies exist. Space is everywhere except within the atmosphere of these bodies. A vacuum is an area that contains no matter. In fact, there is matter throughout the space. There are gases and dust in space, but there is far less matter than is found on planets and stars. With this question you will draw this diagram of space. If it is missing, complete it right now. Next is, write a short note on nebula. Answer is, a nebula is a cloud of gas and dust that exist in space. Most of them have a lot of hydrogen gas in them. Some nebula are the remains of stars that have exploded and died. Other are stars in the process of being formed. It is hard to see nebula from Earth because they do not give out light. However, they can sometimes be seen because of the light from the nearby stars. This is the diagram of nebula which you have to draw on your interleaf page. Moving next, we have the last question. Write a short note on galaxies. Answer is, galaxies are huge areas of space that contain stars, planets, dust and gas. Earth and our solar system exist in a galaxy known as a Milky Way galaxy. There are 3 types of galaxies. They all contain the same type of things, but they are different shapes. The most common is a spiral galaxy. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. This is the diagram of the galaxy which you have to draw. Moving next, you will write these 6 fill in the blanks in your notebooks. These are very important for your objective point of view. So write them down in your notebooks. The first blank is, the dash is an imaginary line passing to the north and south poles. Number 2, the tilt of the axis affects the dash. Number 3, dash is not a planet. Number 4, the earth's dash causes the season. Number 5, the time it takes for the earth to rotate on its axis is called a dash. And number 6, the dash is a spiral galaxy. First of all, you will write them down as it is in your notebook, and then the next slide I have mentioned all the answers of this. The answer of number 1 is axis, number 2 season, number 3 nebula, number 4 tilt, number 5 day, and number 6 Milky Way. I hope you all get this and how to write it down. If you find any query, you can call me or you can ask for me. Okay, moving next with a very important thing. This is the match the column from unit number 9, electricity and magnetism. This was your worksheet which was left when suddenly school get closed. So you have to write this down in your notebook. If you want to get the printout of this worksheet, you can ask me. I will send it to you. But it will be easy if you will write them down in your notebook. So now I will tell you how to solve it in your notebook. First of all, you will write the numbers of A column and then you will draw the B column. Number 1, this appliances use electromagnets. Number 2, electricity is a flow of dash. The 2 ends of the magnet are called dash. Number 4, temporary magnet produce when electricity passes over a conductor dash. Electric current is sent along dash. Magnet attract things made up of dash. The dash electricity involves friction. If a magnet does not attract, it will dash. Provides power for some appliances we use everyday dash. The space in which the force of a magnet can act is dash. Number 11, an electromagnet works when current is dash. Number 12, dash electricity is continuous. On the column B, you will write turn on, magnetic field, current, electricity, poles, electrons, hair dryers, wires, electromagnet, static, metal and repel. Next, these are the answers of the match the column. Number 1 is hair dryer, number 2 electron, number 3 poles, number 4 electromagnet, number 5 wires, number 6 metal, number 7 static, number 8 repel, number 9 electricity, number 10 magnetic field, number 11 is turned on, and number 12 is current. If the worksheet is not clearly visible to you, do ask me on WhatsApp. I will send it to you, or if it be easy for you, you can get a print of it. Otherwise, write them down in your notebook. Thank you.